Hey, what's groovy? This is the Dyu A1F. Firstly, let's jump into the unboxing. The bike arrived well packaged and snug in the box. We were really impressed with what little assembling actually had to be done. It was practically just the case of taking the packaging off, popping the handlebars on, the seat and the pedals, and pretty much ready to go.
So here we've got the Dyu A1F, a nice, compact, very stylish bike. You've got a few things with it here. You've got the quick release saddle. You've got down, up. Again with the handlebars, quick release. With the markings to where you like it set, which is great because we like to share. But I also noticed they've actually been properly scribed in. That's not just paint, that's not just going to flake off. Rear seat, which is optional, you can remove it for the rack at the back. You've got the rear light on the back. Now this has just got a little battery inside, it's not actually connected to the main battery. And on the front you've got LED light. We haven't tested it at night yet, but I'll just turn it on. It does look quite bright and it's daytime. Got the pedals. This is so easy and simple. Up. You just literally knock it out. Over here, this will be the monitor for the pedal assist. So it shows you your battery levels is there. You've got low, mid, high. You can just work your way through. So you've got 3 settings on that, even though you don't have any gears. That does, you know, you've got 3 settings, which is more than enough. You got your little bell. Now you can as well, if you needed to. You've got a quick release here, just to be able to just get the handlebars off, shift them about. Got that way, however, you know, someone likes to ride. Just keep it like that, a bit more like a mountain bike. The other thing, it does come with a basket. Obviously it's optional, we haven't got it on at the moment, but you know, to come with a basket is quite handy. You've got one straight away, especially within the price of the bike, to get free accessories. And here as well, we've got front and rear disc brakes as well, and you've got your little stand, just flicks up and down. You've got mud guards, which is great when you're riding in the rain, the amount of times you get black trail up your back. So yeah, it's nice to have them.
So the bike only weighs 21.2 kilos with a load capacity of 120 kilos, but it is so light and compact that we can literally lift it over our heads, which makes carrying it and transporting that little bit more easier. As you guys know, we have been looking for the perfect van life bike. Could the A1F be that?
Co-op.
Yeah.
Get the groceries, the van's all parked up. Now we can take this lovely little commuting bike off to the shops and not have to worry about parking.
Okay, bye.
See you later. See you in a minute. Should get there in a flash with this. Turn it on. We go for pedal assist mid. We go for medium. Nice little cruise.
Nice, have fun.
Cheers. If there's any juddering on the video, I can only apologise. It's quite a bumpy path and this bike doesn't have any suspension. Not that it's an uncomfy ride though, it's still comfortable without the suspension. It just doesn't help when trying to record. So yeah, nice little cycle into co-op. Haven't got to worry about trying to park outside, and one of the nightmare things down here in Arundel is parking goes so quick. If we would drive to co-op now, we'd come back and our space would be gone, and then we'd have to probably look at either finding somewhere for a little while for it to quieten down or find a complete new park up, whereas this bike is literally a game changer. It's going to take so much stress and worry out for parking. It's brilliant for commuting. Oh, these are some bumps there, that might be juddery. It's brilliant for commuting to the shops to get your groceries, gets you out and about. I mean, you can't go wrong. It's a good budget bike. Thank you. This bike, it folds up so small. We can get it in Harley's mum and dad's car, and that's like the world's smallest car, and it fits like a glove, and you can still have a passenger in the back. I mean, to be fair, it's quite nippy as well. This does fly along, but the pedal assist is so easy. You know, it does just kick in and it's just there going along nice and smooth. I mean, you don't have any gears on this, but then that is one less thing to go wrong. You've got your 3 speed on the pedal assist anyway. That boosts you up. We can actually get this inside the van fully assembled. Don't even have to fold it down, we can just put it straight in. I have noticed as well the brakes on this, I mean, not that you go super fast, but it stops you dead.
Okay, brake test, let's go.
Brake test.
Not bad.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
You know, and this is all within the UK law, which is great for peace of mind being a UK citizen. So it's all within the law. You know, you don't have to worry about any of that, getting it confiscated, nothing like that. This is perfect for our, you know, our alternative way of life. It's great. It's definitely a good van life bike. I don't think you can go wrong. It's a game changer for us. So here we are at Co-op, ready to get some groceries for dinner. Let's go shopping.
Oh, we've got some burgers.
We're back on the Dyu A1F, ready to head back to Harley. I'll flip you around for the trip. Here we go. Even with this bike being so small and compact, you still feel like you're just riding any normal bike. It doesn't feel any smaller when you're riding it. It's so comfy to pedal. My knees are miles away from the handlebars. Let's turn it up to high. Oh, that's quicker and easier. I'll turn that down one. Might get a little bit bumpy. So yeah, so compact, so nice to ride. The seat is very cushioned, very comfy. Can't complain there. I would have liked a horn, not going to lie. I've only got a little bell, which isn't the best. Thank you guys. But, you know, you can't have it all when you are on a budget. This bike meets all expectations. Thank you guys, thank you very much. No, you don't apologise, thank you.
Okay, though.
And that's one thing I do like about Arundel, is everyone's just so nice and friendly, nice and polite to each other, just how the world should be, you know. Hi there.
Hi, mate.
Cheers guys.
That's all right, mate. You're welcome.
See again there, Arundel, just lovely people. You just can't go wrong down here. Don't know if you can see, but we have got all the vans down there to the left. Hi there. And we're back at Harley's. That's okay, I'm just going to the left, but thank you, I'm just going there. Thank you ever so much though. And we are back. And that's barking Willow. There she is. Hey. Hello.
So the bike doesn't have any suspension other than what's just in the seat, which obviously makes it more comfortable to ride, but we're going to test it up this track and see how it handles. Starting on the hill.
Thank you. As you can see, this is a steep hill and it's just pulling. I mean, I am in level 3, but it just pulls. It's not bad just for a little bike. I've got no suspension. Oh, that's stiff. But it's doing it, it's getting me there. Oh, that's hard work. but that's definitely capable. The capabilities for something that's just so small and compact. It's brilliant. You can literally commute through town, take shortcuts down the back tracks. Brilliant.
Let's have a look at how quick this quick folding bike is. Okay, let's do a little ride test then. Try and keep the camera nice and steady for you, but I think Adam mentioned as well that this is quite a bumpy road. So this is such a comfortable bike to ride, even though it is small. It doesn't feel like it when you're riding. It pedals nice and easy. It feels like just a regular bike, to be honest, with the added pedal assist, of course. Because this bike is so lightweight and compact, it makes it the perfect commuting bike. You can just fold it up, chuck it on a bus, on a train, in your car. It is brilliant. 21 kilos, I believe, so makes lifting it easy. This would be great for festivals also, if you wanted just to whip around, get to your camp, get back to the main drag. Yeah, I love that idea for this bike. Someone wants to get around me. I'm scared. There's Hope. There's Adamo.
Hello.
Hello?
Oh, hello. My finger was in it then.
That's good, isn't it? That's fun to ride as well.
It is fun to ride, definitely.
It doesn't feel like I was just saying, it doesn't feel like a tiny bike. It feels like a normal bike. You don't feel like you're struggling.
No, definitely
It's
not.
good. I like it.
I'm glad you like it.
We wanted to make sure we tested the lights on this review, and we can honestly say we were amazed. You can see for yourselves how bright they are. It would have been nice if the rear bike light wasn't battery powered and it was connected to the mains instead, but that is a minor detail. If you do a lot of night riding, you definitely don't need to worry about your vision or being seen. So it's not meant to be a top performing bike, it's meant to be easy, compact, practical and fun to ride, and for the price it's definitely that.
So let us know what you think in the comments below on the Dyu A1F.
Thanks so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and
Stay groovy!